In this video, I'll show you how to check Shein order history. So for doing that, first of all, you have to open a browser. And after opening a browser, here in the search box, you have to write Shein.com and then search for that. And now you have to open this website Shein.com. And after opening the website, you have to go to my account at the below. And now you have to click on my orders, and after that this will take us to a new page, and from here you have to select the view details for more information. And from here, if the status of your order is shipped, you can select track to see the current status and location of your order. Once your order has arrived, you can confirm the delivery so that you will receive bonus points. So in the my orders option, you can see the history and details of your orders. So here's how you can see or check the Shein order history. Thank you.